Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to set up and use Everydollar for beginners. So the first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser. Then it's in the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Everydollar and click on this first website. Okay, and the next thing that we are going to do here is to sign up for an account. So just click on create your free account option. That's right, so you just have to input right here your email and then your password. And after, just put here your first name and then your last name. That's right, and click on continue. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, and right here, just have to check your email for the verification code. So make sure that your verification code is correct. Okay, and after that, just click on continue. Now you're all set and click on continue after that. Okay, so right here, click on the get started option. And here, what is more important to you right now? So let's just going to follow the process. So save for retirement, stop living paycheck to paycheck, save for a home or travel, and click on continue. Next, tell us more about you. So you just have to choose all that apply. So I rent as of the moment. And then if you want to get the premium features for Everydollar, click on the get premium. So just going to enter my expenses manually. Okay, and then here just have to enter your monthly paychecks and other regular income. Next, enter your housing and food expenses right here. Okay, that's right. So for the mortgage or your rent, maybe $100. Okay, so for the water, just have to put here your budget for your water monthly. Okay, so currently we don't have this one. For the electricity, maybe $100. Okay, and then after that, next one is your cable. Okay, so this one is for your essentials. And if you want to add more item, just click on the add item option. Now for your food, so let's say we are going to set aside $100 for groceries every month, and for the restaurant we have $300. Okay, so as you can see right here, we are over budget since we did not put an amount on our budget section. Okay, so now let's go back at the top, and here we have our income for August or for this month. So we have paycheck 1 and then the paycheck 2. So if you want to add more income, just click on it. Now let's go to the settings section, and if you would like to upgrade to premium in order for us to use all of the features, we have to pay for it monthly. Here you can learn to budget by watching this coaching right here on the section. We also have the goals, the roadmap, the insights, the Ramsey Trusted, and the group coaching. Now let's go back to the budget section. For our paycheck, let us say for this month, we have $700. Okay, and then if you have other paycheck, you can put that right here as well. Now for the giving, so let us say you are giving some amount every month on church, so you can put that right here as well. And for the charity, now for savings, so let's say for your emergency fund, we are going to set aside $100 for this one. And then for the water, we already have that, the natural gas, the cable, so just have to go here. So as you can see at the top, we are still over budget. Okay, so for the restaurant, maybe I'm going to change that one because I think that is too much for me. Okay, and then for the personal, you have your clothing, phone, fun money, hair, cosmetics, and subscriptions. Okay, so let us say for the subscriptions, we have $60. Okay, and then for the summary, you'd be able to see here now your summary. So let's go to the lifestyle. Okay, if you want to add more item, just go and click on the add item option. Okay, then for the health, of course, medicine or vitamins is very important. I'm going to put here $70 budget. Okay, now for the insurance, we have health insurance and others. Now, as you can see at the top left, we only have $35 left to budget. Okay, and at the right side, we have here the summary, the transactions, and our accounts. So here it can determine the different categories by going to the colors. Okay, so if you would like to connect your bank account, just go here to the transaction sections and click on connect your bank account. But of course, you have to upgrade to premium in order for you to connect your bank account and get started with real numbers. Okay. So let's go back here. Let us say we have more paycheck. Let's go to the paycheck section or add income. Okay, so if you'd like to learn to budget as well, you can go here and watch this coaching. Okay, so here you can personalize your budget. You can also start with the basic, and if you would like to manage your account, just go to the settings section. That's right, and here just wait for a couple of seconds, and as you can see, you have your dashboard, assessment, save articles. Then for account overview, we have your email address, password, okay, and your subscription, of course. Now I am going to give you a scenario. So let's say you get paid 15,000 this month, so you open Everydollar and plan out where every peso should go. So you put 4,000 for rent, 3,000 for food, and 2,000 for transportation, and 1,000 for savings. And the rest for things like loads, snacks, or emergencies during the month to track your spending. So when you buy groceries or ride a public transportation, you input it in the app. And one day you're tempted to buy new shoes, but you checked Everydollar and see you don't have enough left in your shopping category. So you decide to wait or move money from another category. This way, you stay within your budget and avoid overspending. Now, Everydollar is a simple and easy to use budgeting app that helps you plan and track your money using the zero-based budgeting method, where you give every peso or dollar a job. One big advantage of Everydollar is its clean layout and step-by-step process that makes budgeting feel less overwhelming, even for beginners. So you can quickly see how much money you've planned, spent, and have left in each category, which helps you stay on track. So it's great for building discipline with money, avoiding overspending, and reaching savings goals more confidently. And that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.